Stop using your real email on websites. Let me show you how you can hide your real email while using it on your website. So first, you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with General, go with iPhone storage. After opening your settings, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top. From profile, you need to scroll down, go with iCloud. Once you're on your iCloud, here on the right side, you will have See All option. Tap on See All and then scroll all the way down and you will find an option of Hide My Email. Tap on Hide My Email. Here, the iPhone can create a completely new random email for you. You can use this email to sign up on any website. But for that, you need to have iCloud Plus. So if you have iCloud Plus, then you can just simply use this feature. The website will only see that email, which is the fake email, but your real email will stay completely hidden. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.